Hi, my name is Elaine, and I'm currently the operations coordinator here in Dubai, and I've been here for more than 8 years. I will be your trainer in balloon arts class here in Emirates Education Centre. In this course, you will learn different and simplified techniques when it comes to balloon bending, balloon twisting, and different decorations in all types of events. After taking this course, the students will be more confident to start their own business and more knowledgeable with all different decorations in all type of events. As a bonus, I will give you 3 tips as a start. Tip number 1, when buying a balloons, first you need to check the quality of each balloons. It's not about the price, it's the quality because you're going to present it with your clients. Tip number 2, if you are going to use an old balloons on your stocks, my suggestion is put it in the fridge 1 to 2 minutes, bring it outside, dry it, put some powder so that they will not stick to each other, and it's ready to be used because it's more elastic and more beautiful than the old one. Tip number 3, if you are going to buy the balloons, please make sure that inside the plastic, they are not sticking to each other. Why? Because it is already expired. Balloons have an expiration also. So what are you waiting for? I'm inviting you now, for those who are business-minded and those who wants to upgrade their knowledge when it comes to decoration, come in Emirates Education Centre because we teach success.